Bees are the backbone of biodiversity and essential to life on Earth. When we think of bees, most of us picture honeybees. But here's the twist. The real heavy lifters aren't honeybees. They're native bees, and they need our help. There are over 4,000 species of native bees in North America alone, including bumblebees, sweat bees, and leafcutter bees. There's a common misconception that honeybees are the main pollinators, but actually, native bees are often more efficient and specialized for certain plants. Another popular myth is that bees only thrive in wide open meadows. In reality, forest edges, parks, and urban wild, with decaying wood, open soil, and old plant material, can provide perfect nesting space and habitat for bees. Perhaps most surprising is that cities can sometimes be better for bees than rural areas. While we often imagine the countryside as ideal bee territory, monoculture farming, pesticides, and mature forests make it tough out there. But cities, with thoughtful design and green infrastructure, can be buzzing with possibility. At BSC, we design landscapes that breathe life back into urban spaces, restoring ecosystems and creating essential habitats for pollinators. Our collaboration with EMD Serono in Billerica, Massachusetts, integrates pollinator gardens into a cutting-edge biotech campus. BSC's work at River Green Park in Everett focuses on transforming industrial land into a thriving green space through native plantings and resource management that supports urban ecology. Support native bees. Simple actions that make a big difference. Swap out traditional lawns for wildflowers, native grasses, flowering trees, and ground covers. Leave stems, leaves, and plant debris in place a bit longer to protect overwintering and nesting bees. These natural materials provide essential nesting and shelter habitats for many native bee species. Choose plants that bloom at different times throughout the season. Some great options include our native asters, goldenrods, wild bergamot and mints, and milkweed. Bees thrive when we do less. This World Bee Day, what actions are you going to take to help make a difference?